New at midday, the South Carolina Supreme Court has ruled that a challenge brought by Planned Parenthood against the state's fetal heartbeat law does not stand, effectively upholding the current 6-week abortion ban. Planned Parenthood arguing the 6-week limit on abortions was unfair because many women do not even know that they're pregnant by that time. The state argued that the heart begins functioning around that time and therefore a line should be drawn. In today's ruling, the court decided the definition of a fetal heartbeat is when electrical impulses are first detectable as a sound and a medical professional observes steady and repetitive rhythmic contraction, meaning the 2023 fetal heartbeat law can stand. Governor Henry McMaster praising the ruling, saying in part, quote, "South Carolina continues to lead the charge in defending the sanctity of life."